Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online presence with Squarespace, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your online presence with Squarespace, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to your website dashboard. Click on the Settings tab found in the left-hand menu. Select Security and HTTPS from the Settings options. Enable SSL by toggling the switch to on. This ensures that your website has a secure connection. Next, go back to the Settings menu and click on Domains. Make sure your domain is connected and that it shows a green status. Under the Domains section, consider enabling domain privacy if you haven't already. This helps protect your personal information from being publicly accessible. Now, return to the Settings menu and select Social Links. Add links to your social media accounts to help secure your brand identity. Move on to the Marketing section in the left-hand menu. Here, configure your email marketing settings to enhance brand reach. Next, go to Analytics in the menu. Review your website's performance to identify any potential security issues. Set up two-step verification for your Squarespace account. This adds an additional layer of security to your login process. Next, ensure that you regularly update your passwords. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a strong password. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials securely. Now, move to your content management settings. Audit your site content for outdated information that could compromise your security. If you offer e-commerce, ensure that your payment processors are secure. Regularly check for updates from Squarespace regarding security features. Finally, stay informed about best practices for online security. Frequent security checks will help maintain your website's integrity. By following these steps, you'll effectively secure your online presence with Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.